another project that I want to finish today. It was having this installed. Try to explain to you. We have some goodies, a seal and some screws, and then we have the device, which is a nice stainless steel rod with probably some sort of magnet over here. It was well protected, so I think it's kinda fragile. I don't know. I want to have this rod inside the water tank, and that's gonna be connected to a gauge inside the control panel. Okay, I know what you're saying. There is my gauge, and here we have a peephole. There we have a peephole. So why in God's name do you want to have 2 meters away from the peephole a gauge? First of all, there's gonna be different pillows here, and second of all, man, this is always cool. That water tank is perfect for sleeping, because that water tank stays cool. It's in contact with the water outside, and that keeps it cool. It's always a little bit cold here. Okay, I'm digressing. But I can't see the water here, so I need to have my flashlight, and then I can't just look at it down, because then you see just water. You can't see this, how much there is still in there, and then it's a hassle. I just want to have a glance and be done and over with it. And that's why. And I like gadgets and electricity, electronic stuff. So I use this to have the pillow slideless, but it's not really working that great. Now we have room. It's probably gonna be right here somewhere. That's gonna be the deepest point, and I hope this isn't too long, otherwise I have a problem. So now we can check. Oh yeah, that's a perfect size. That's a perfect size. So it works like this. That thing, it goes up and down. It's gonna give resistance, and that can the gauge translate in its gauge. So yeah, this is perfect size. 41 centimeters, right? Somewhat 20. So this should be the spot. Yeah, that seems to be right. Okay, so I have this size. Let's measure it with the measure the seal. For me it can be a little bit smaller. Let's do the next size. You have all these kind of things, you know. We call it a clock bore. It's like a clock drill. I don't know, that's for sure not the same. So this would be more perfect, but it needs to fit over this. Oh, that's only just, but I think it's gonna work. Let's try. If not, we have a slight problem. There's a lot of play. It's like almost half a centimeter of play. Yep. I'm gonna try it with this. That's the least chance of leaks. You don't want leaks. You're sleeping over this. Let's first see if it fits. Yeah, easy. That was a plus. But now I need to waterproof the hole. $240, and when it's up, depending how I hold it, it's around 33. Okay, and when I let it go, it's 240, so it still works. Black to sensor, red to positive pole. This is working perfect. A quarter of a tank. If you now want the orange color, the red color, you can just add this, so now we have a red color. But yeah,